Hey guys, welcome back to Man Time. Today's episode, we have got to continue down the path here, and there's some trees at the bottom. So I've got a couple more loads of dirt here and behind the tractor there. I'm going to move a couple of those and then hook up to some of these trees with a chain, drag them up out of there to get them out of the way, and then that'll give me some access with the backhoe as well to get down there and dig those stumps up out of the ground. But I've got kind of a wood pile over here that I was working on. So let's jump in the tractor, move some of the wood that I've already skidded up out of there, and I've got some of it cut up into logs. But we'll get that moved out of the way, get some of this dirt moved out of the way, drive back down in there, chain up to some trees, get those up out of the way, and see how much progress we can make today. So it's going to be an episode. Stick around and welcome to Man Time. Alright, did it again. Time to get the backhoe. Well, we're stuck in kind of a similar situation as we were the other day. The tractor is off the trail going down through the woods here, and it's fairly deep. Backhoe is up on some more stable ground, so we'll hook up to it and alright, slow down. Put it in neutral, of course. Alright, neutral, good to go. Let's see what happens. Alright, I was going to put it in gear, but it might just come up. Let's try starting it up and moving it back up out of there. Now, I'm going to put it in gear, lock it down, and then pull it back a little bit further. Alright, I got the tractor in gear, so it's not going to roll away with the chain tight there. And then what I'm going to do is extend out the boom, drive forward, and then rehook up with the outriggers and everything. So now I'm going to take it out of gear, put it back in neutral, get ready to give it one more tow. Boy, I tell you, if it wasn't for that backhoe, I would be in trouble a lot of the times I'm out here. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Anybody that's trying to figure out what piece of equipment to get for their first piece of equipment on the farm, it's got to be a backhoe. If you're homesteading, especially, it's got to be a backhoe. There's no other way about it. If it wasn't for that thing, I'd be in trouble, and either having to rely on other people to help me out a lot more than I am, or calling somebody and having to pay for help. And neither one of those things is a good idea. So worth its weight in gold right there. Alright, let's keep moving dirt. Alright, let's do what we came here to do, huh? I got stuck there. Take two. This should be a fun one. This one's actually up under the dirt where I'm coming down through the road here. Man, I'm getting close though. This is cool. All right. We're getting forever closer here. The stream is just right down there, and yeah, just a few more logs here to skid up the trail, and then a nice stump there to dig out with the backhoe, and we're almost done. Yeah, you can see there I'm just using a chain and hooking it around the tree. You don't need any fancy tricks or anything, just using actually kind of a lightweight chain today just to kind of save myself a little bit. I've got that heavy-duty tow chain that I drag the tractor up out of there, but a nice light chain for some smaller trees like this works just fine. Well, the last thing we're going to do today is try to get this stump up out of the ground. It's right at the very end of where I'm pushing all this dirt down, and it's got to come out of there before I get any more dirt up around it. It just gets harder and harder to get these things out of the ground. So I've got the backhoe backed all the way down here, and we'll try to get the stump up out of the ground. If you like this type of videos and you enjoy this type of work, it's called Man Time. So like, subscribe, all that stuff. Let's get this stump up out of the ground. boy. Well, let's go through what happened today. Let's see. Ran some equipment, moved some dirt, got a tractor stuck, got it unstuck, pulled some stumps up out of the ground, got dirty, got sweaty, and got muddy. Does it get any better than this? Yeah, so I'm standing like right by the creek, so the creek is just right behind the camera here, and there's how far I've come with the dirt down this path. This all used to be like woods. You see the open area between there and there. If you go back through my channel, you'll see this was once all woods and now is cleaned out and almost done with the project. Part 55 of making a road through the woods, right? But anyway, checked all the boxes today. Hope you enjoyed it. Get out there, have you some man time too.